Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We needed to reevaluate the footprint in India because the pandemic is still here, it's not gone. The cases are spiking in many places while we are better than we were, but we don't know how long it's going to take. Therefore, we needed to take a look into the options that we have to make sure that the tournament is a success in India, and also to guarantee and improve the development on women's football. Because as you know, a lot of the youth tournaments in the world has been cancelled due to the pandemic, most specifically also the women's tournaments. Therefore, this World Cup is very important to make sure that the girls, 16, 15, 17 years old, have a world tournament to play into. Well, in principle, we are not considering a single venue for the tournament. We still want to spread it over India in various cities. We just need to evaluate which is the safest option. So, again, as GOA did very well in 2017, as well as have proven experience in hosting tournaments during the pandemic, it's a natural candidate to be evaluated in this stage. So it will include now the pool of options that we have before we can make a decision.